In today's exercise, we're going to dive into the world of Lambda functions in Python. Lambda functions are a concise way to create anonymous functions on the fly. We'll start with a simple example where we create a Lambda function to multiply two numbers. Follow along to understand the syntax and usage of this powerful feature. Let's begin by defining a Lambda function that multiplies two numbers. In Python, the syntax for a Lambda function is Lambda, arguments : expression. In our case, the Lambda function will take two arguments, x and y, and return their product. Here's how you can do it. Now, let's use our newly created Lambda function to calculate the product of 5 and 7. In this example, multiply is now a function that takes two arguments and returns their product. We call this function with 5 and 7, and the result is printed. There you have it. You've just created and used a Lambda function in Python. Lambda functions are particularly handy for short, one-time operations. Feel free to experiment with different Lambda expressions and use cases. If you found this exercise helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Happy coding!